So you referenced President Obama's speech, and you said, you know, that Pakistan is the new target. However, he's saying that Pakistan and the United States have to have this important partnership. What's going on there, then? The
goal, once again, is to destroy Pakistan as an energy corridor between Iraq, Iran, other countries in the Middle East that produce oil, and China, because that's where a pipeline could go. The pipeline could start in Iraq, it could go to Iran, it can go up through Pakistan, cross the Himalayas, above Kashmir, go into China. This would be oil going towards China and Chinese economic influence coming into the Middle East and essentially cutting out the Anglo-Americans.
And how is that going to happen, the destruction of Pakistan?
The idea is to provoke a civil war. In other words, take the existing civil war inside Afghanistan and massively export it. The U.S. would possibly consider a direct attack on Pakistan, but they can't, because Pakistan is too big and it has nuclear weapons. So there's nuclear deterrence. The only way to do it is to take the Pashtun population in Afghanistan and Pakistan, rile them up into an independence movement, do the same thing with the people in Balochistan, and with that you've carved Afghanistan, you've broken Pakistan into 4 pieces or 3, and you've even started to carve Iran, because those Baluchis are a peripheral group of the Iranians. So
maybe these 4 men were kind of pawns. What's going to happen to them now?
Well, they're going to be given a show trial, and this will coincide with the Khalid Sheikh Mohammed in this atmosphere now of war hysteria that Obama's trying to create against Pakistan. So the chances, I think, of a fair trial for them are about nothing. And again, this is all an insult to your intelligence. Nobody in his right mind could take these stories seriously. We've had this again and again. We had the Fort Dick 6. In this case, they were so lackadaisical they didn't want to do anything. The JFK airport pipeline bombers, led by a sad sack who sold incense in the streets, his means of livelihood was to get small change out of payphones. The Liberty City 7 in Miami, Haitians who were also dirt poor, mentally impaired. So again and again, the same story. You have a provocateur from the FBI with unlimited money, a group of essentially desperate and poor and mentally challenged individuals. Bring in some junk weapons, and you've got a case, and you can inflame public opinion and direct that against your foreign target, which is what they're doing in this case, and it's Pakistan.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tarpley. Well, we'll certainly be keeping you updated on that case, but for now, it's back to you guys in Moscow.
Thanks, Priya. That was Priya Sridhar speaking to investigative journalist Webster Tarpley.